Today's video is regarding HP Deskjet 2332 printer. I'm going to show you how to use this printer with your MacBook. So it's very easy to use this printer with MacBook, or even if you want you can use it with the PC computer. Now I'm going to show you how to use it using a printer data cable. So you will see the one end of the cable looks like this, and this is the USB section which will go into the USB port in your MacBook or laptop, and this will go to the printer side. So we just insert it there, and this end goes to the USB port here. So once we connect the wire, now we have to go to the MacBook. In the MacBook, go and open the settings, open the system preferences, and you will see printers and scanners. Open it. So you will see the plus button here. You have to simply click on it. So once you do that, your printer is connected, and now we can do the printing or scanning. So I have installed it. Now I'm going to show you if it's working or not. So simply, if you want, you can do the scanning or printing. For printing, take any document you have and send a print command. Select your printer. So here we can see it's printing. So it's very easy. You simply need a USB cable which is for the printer, and then you can just install the printer, and straight away you can start printing and scanning. You can use this method with any PC, any laptop or a MacBook. Thanks for watching.